Hey there.
Hey,
Hey,
Check.
I'm
Raiden.
Hey.
Chris.
Hi, Magos.
And I'm Braden, and yeah, we're gonna build some stuff with Sophie this morning. Cool. So, yeah, we want to change up our dashboard. We have some issues here. One of which is this table isn't full width, which is kind of annoying because you have a horizontal scroll. We take up a lot of space with these cards, and we have other cards here. And so, I found some inspiration online of a kind of easier to scan dashboard. And yeah, we want to see what Sophie can do with this as context here. So I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to go back to Sophie. Hey, I want to all the data the same, but try to edit the layout and design to match the inspiration. Cool. And then gonna go add a Figma file. I'm gonna paste this value in and hit add. Cool. So yeah, loaded up that Figma file. I can see that it's added as context here. If I want to remove this and add a different one, I can through this, closing it. But yeah, essentially, I just want it to look at the inspiration in Figma here and try to kind of like mold our dashboard content to fit that layout a little bit better. So let's see what it does. So it's going to think. Look at the Figma file. There's August. There's Chris.
Yeah, I like the big graph at the top.
Yeah.
I'm curious how it's going to handle the dark mode since you just did that light mode. And also, is it going to add purple? And is there purple in this design system? Why don't you want to check that out and see what purple?
Yeah, it looks like it's trying to add purple, so we might need to steer it a little bit better.
Yeah, but maybe there's a purple that already exists. I'm just curious. If not, then it'll add it, right?
Yep. Yeah, no
Cool.
purple.
Okay, so it's going to add a purple. Let's check out. I'm curious, how it does that. Is it going to give us a semantic color? Is it going to do light and dark? Is it going to be hard-coded? Just
Yep.
I know how I built it. I know how I want it to, but I let's see.
Yeah, let's see exactly what it does.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, looking at it, it is calling out some things like donut ring, which is something we wanted. Table, company row. I want this to be full width, so we'll see. Has all the filters, which is great. Yeah, so it's changing the actual app shell to give it a narrower sidebar that's fixed, which is cool. So yeah, it's definitely looking at the design and seeing, all the major elements. I didn't talk to it specifically about the mobile view, but we'll check that out and see how it does.
It usually does that pretty good. I haven't seen any issues with that. Sophie's pretty good at that.
Yep. Okay. Still thinking.
And also something that the way that it's supposed to work is that it doesn't use your random Figma tokens and for typography. It'll lean towards your established design system first.
Yep.
And then if it doesn't have it, it'll be additive. So that's the interesting stuff to look at. It's how to handle typography. What are the types of colors it added? How does it handle light and dark theme when we didn't provide that? So curious. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it added a purple sidebar.
It does surprisingly well. Oh, wow. Whoa.
That's pretty good. Sweet. Yeah, and then the things I'm going to check next, I mean, once again, pretty close. And it kept all my same data, which is what I wanted, which is great.
Wow,
all colors
okay.
use the project's semantic tokens. Let's see if that's actually true. Let's see if I can grab one of these. And
Why don't you just inspect the code?
Yeah, I could.
No, I mean
Sure.
like highlight something and like look at the instance of it.
So that's not a semantic color.
But look at the code. All right, then
We
I'm
go
going to go
into
into the history.
Go into the instance. Yeah, so here they are. They're just
Yeah.
cool. So that's something we can improve, but let me talk to it. Hey, this is great, but you are using hard-coded values instead of tokens. Shit. See what it does there. But yeah, by and large.
Yeah, I don't know. I can't handle that purple sidebar. I feel like just the purple icons. I'm going to ask it to do that while you're
Yeah.
while you're thinking. Oh, I think we can queue up a message.
Yep.
Right?
Sure.
Like it's a little too much.
Yeah.
What do you think, August?
Yeah, it's too much. Let's change it.
And having this blue button's a little odd. Let's see what it does here. Cool. I think it's going to change to our colors, which is what I wanted, and I could have done a better job in the prompt. Okay, that's looking better. But in the prompt, I should have specified like, hey, I like this layout, but not the colors necessarily.
I just queued up you can see my
Yep.
my prompt in the chat. I just said remove the purple from the sidebar.
Perfect.
Sorry about my dog.
Oh, you're good.
Okay.
She wants to appear.
She doesn't like bananas. I like it better with the blue. Anyways, this is looking much better.
Yep.
It's cool.
Yep.
Oh, I'm going to check out light mode.
Oh, another turn is in progress. Okay.
Yeah, so I have a queued message there, which is nice. You can see that. Open that up and you can see
Yep.
that. Okay. Oh, yeah, much better.
Oh, that's interesting. Something to look into. It sent my message again in the history, but it didn't trigger something. So, okay, I'll look
Stop
into
it.
that.
Right?
Yeah, it's not running. It's just like, I think it's just after your queued message, mine drained again, which is weird, but we'll figure it out.
Okay. I'm going to adjust the sidebar is white now?
Let's refresh.
Why did it do that?
Yeah.
So it's adding tokens. Text white. That's great.
Ah,
Background
I see.
white.
Yep.
Yeah, we want that. But it's like, but not.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't mind this sidebar, but yeah, the icons need to be white inside the active ones.
I don't like it white. I'm going to put a little prompt in here and say, make this sidebar light.
Yeah, but by and large, like this top section looks like really good.
Yeah.
It's
I
cool.
think we should chip it. Just so we have something
Yeah.
different to look at.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, let's just fix the colors here and then let's see what it's doing.
You know what I'm not liking is that the 25% is so big that it doesn't fit within there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
let me fix that. Oh, it's still loading. But yeah, I'm going to multi-select.
Oh, that's better. Okay, I fixed the sidebar. That's looking
Oh yeah,
good.
that looks great. Okay, so I'm going to grab both of these when it's done. Cool. Add a message. The 25% and passing text is too big inside the donut graph. Can you make it smaller so it fits more?
Ooh, also, I feel like the donut graph, don't you think the lines are too thick? It feels like a little off balanced from the like really sleek lines on the right and like the thin borders on the badges.
Do you want to type that up while I run this?
Yeah.
Cool. So
I'm writing to make the borders on the line of this chart a little thinner to match the style of the, thing on the chart, the graph on the right. Yeah.
Look how nice the text looks now, though. Oh.
Yeah, it's better.
Oh, much better. All right. I'm going to send mine match the style of the chart on the right. Okay. I'm going to send that in.
Yeah, and look how good it looks mobile.
Mm.
Buttons kind of break, but we can talk about it there after. I'm gonna follow you, Chris.
Okay, yeah, come on over. Hey, welcome to the party.
Hi. Thanks.
Okay, cool. I'm just adding the context in here.
Yep.
Sending that over.
Cool.
I just felt like it feels like it stands out too much.
Yeah,
like
it's
the
like too
sidebar.
different. Yeah, sidebar's really clean. Oh yeah, perfect.
Yes. That looks great. Should we ship it?
Yeah, let me
just
it.
check. Let me just show that it was pretty cool because you'll see each one of these commits that we did. So this is the one I did here. You can see the code diff. Mm-hmm. This is the one you did. You'll see that these are all passing CI. We run our own tests, so these are passing lint. You'll see each one here. All these changes. We could also revert these, which is great, or go back in time. But these are all, just wanted to check the code quality before we ship it. And, but I like this. I actually think it's a little bit of an improvement. So I feel like we should go ahead and ship it. So how we do that is click, push changes to PR. There was already an existing PR here and we made a ton of changes, but I love it. I'll go ahead and do that. And great. Now I can open that. That's done. And you can go ahead and open, since you're screen sharing, the GitHub and see those commits
so I'm
in there.
going to go to view PR here in the top right. And then, yes, all of our commits down here from today.
In there.
Yep.
But should we merge it?
Yeah.
Well, let's see how, let's see how well, something I would like to do before we merge this is if you go on your screen, not following me, but just and if you select these cards, though, they're not components, and it is nice. So I feel like we should make these components that have a couple variants, before we actually, so we could ask Soffi to do that and say, actually, let's make these components. Let's have 2 variants. We should probably also check light and dark mode and make sure that that's working well. But this is looking good.
Yeah, it's super cool.
I think we'll keep working on it. Thanks everyone.
Thank you. Yeah, this is great. I'll finish this up off the call. But yeah, awesome.
Bye. Thanks for building.
Bye.
Bye.